Emily, is that really you? I've been good, thanks. It's been forever since we've seen each other. Not much, just trying to stay busy with school and work. How about you? No way. That's amazing. I haven't played in so long though. I don't know if I'm ready for that kind of intensity. I don't know, I might embarrass myself out there. Alright, you convinced me. I'll see if I can make it to the game. When is it? Yes, let's do it. I can't wait to catch up with everyone and cheer on the team. That's right, you moved back right after graduation. How's it been being back in town? I can imagine. I'm still at college, but I'm looking forward to being back home for summer break. Absolutely. It's crazy to think how much things has changed since high school, but it's also nice to have these connections and memories that we can still revisit. That sounds like a great idea. I'm definitely looking forward to catching up more and seeing what other adventures we can have together. Yes, I'd love to. Definitely. And maybe we could even try some other workouts too. I've been hearing a lot about yoga and how it's great for flexibility and relaxation. Sounds like a plan. Let's make a schedule to meet up and exercise together. Sounds good to me. I'll mark it in my calendar. Looking forward to it.